Hi, my name is Mahmoud and welcome to this video. In this video, I will cover arrays in Java as I covered in my previous videos, the strings and the classes of the non-primitive data type. So what are arrays? Arrays are basically the collection of elements of same data type. So let's look into an example how we can create an array in Java and how do we insert elements in it and then run a for loop to print them on the console. Okay, let's see an example together. How do we create an array in Java? So in order to create an array in Java, we have to use this notation, int, and then square brackets, and then just give a name of your array and simply assign it like new int, and in the curly bracket, just define the size of your array. So that's how you can define the length of your array. Next, now we have to assign each element inside this array. And how do we do this? So like we have to save 10 different values in this variable, in this array. So for that, for example, I'm just calling, defining a random object like this. And then looping through my array and assigning each random number to these individual 10 numbers, 10 elements in the array. How do I do this? I simply open a for loop int I equal to 0, I less than my array dot length. Sorry, it's like int I equals to 0 and I less than my array dot length, and just increment the in I value to 1. And in the body of this for loop, I am simply assigning each element in this array by accessing its index, the I variable running in the loop, and giving it a value to this random dot next int. All right. So that's how I am basically looping through each element in the array of my array and assigning each element with a random next integer value. And finally, I have to run again another for loop to print out the elements that you just assigned to this array by using some sysout command so that I can see the elements on the console. So I'm just simply copying my array and simply give it I. And when I run this program, I can see that I have now these 10 different random numbers in my array. Okay, so in this video, we have learned how to create arrays in Java, how do we define array with certain limits, and how do we populate with certain elements of same type and print them on the console. So that's it for this video. See you next time.